All right, the drink we're about to make is called a Bacardi Volcano. And first thing we'll do is put some ice in a glass here. And we will do one shot of, we're going to do, believe it or not, a full half a glass of 151. So, fill that up. And that should be enough 151 to really set up a volcano. And we'll mix in half a glass of cola. And let's go ahead and mix this up here. Also, do the juice of half of a lime. So if you just grab a few lime wedges and squeeze those in, just go ahead and throw the whole wedge in there. There we go. And mix that up. And last thing we're going to do, go ahead and pour this in the glass. And we're going to float some Everclear on top, which is going to be at least 151 proof, and it can go all the way up to 180 proof. So if you float that on top, a full shot. And what's great about this is if you want, you can light that on fire and find some way of drinking it. But that's a Bacardi Volcano. Bottoms up.